Got the trailer under here.
Just for trading purposes, isn't it?
Yep.
Good idea. After all those bloody windstorms and everything, it should never move. And then just correct.
That looks rotten up the guts of it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's good high. Now you got to look at the other half of it. There's say she'll have to come down before it comes down.
You want me to get over?
We're getting there. We're out to the contractors. Wow.
Who does it?
Oh, what do you know? It's just gone. Smithers.
Oh, Barry Smithers.
Yeah. The bloke in the back door, and not blocking the front door. Thank you. Bye bye. Because he said we're volunteers. So if we cut that, they're then going to turn around and say cut it away. Well, we're not cut her away there. No. We just chop this and drop it down, but that's not damaging the shed. It's okay, it's over the fence, but it's a wooden fence. It's just got to be chopped away a bit and the fence repaired.
Fence repair.
But that's up to him. That's up to him.
Oh, it's not. No, neither of them hasn't.
Ah, all that's up to your ring, aren't you? So it's up to you.
Yeah. Well, I better go and give her a good news then.
If it was the other way, up against your door, yeah. But all we do is we shut far enough. Can you walk your door now? Yep. Yeah. Well, the trouble is we've been heroes too. It's not you anyway, because it's the owner of the place.
Wasn't we?
Ah, okay. I thought you were renting this place. Well, you get that on, you might get that on insurance. Clean up the removal. Free something, I don't know what to go with that. Because the owner next door is going to say, well, I'm going to throw it down. So, I don't know the legalities of that side, but as SES stands, all we've got to have clear is front driveway, front door, back door, and it's under no, threatening nobody's life. Well, there's nobody under it. Well, she might have been hanging the washing out. And
Tell you what, she would have shit if she had it.
no clothes basket splat. Righto then.
Let this be a reminder to you all that this organization will not tolerate failure.
Oops! I did it again, baby. Yeah!
What led you through the hopelessly tangled underbrush of private security organizations to our door? Stellar word of mouth? Our fine client roster? Those flyers we put up in that public urinal?